Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on advanced and pick special app access. In this list we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps, and as you can see here we've got some apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So in order to, for example, allow Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. Now after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you just may put your data and the whole device at risk. So remember about that. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. You can turn off the permission whenever you want to. Just tap on it again and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your MOTOROLA Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.